very good morning and very happy morning if you are a Tesla shareholder. Let's have a look what happened to Tesla, because we just passed becoming the most valuable automaker on the whole world. And this is so beautiful, guys, because if success stories are really evolving, then with Tesla, they are really evolving quite exponentially. Just a couple of months ago, actually, it was a sensation that Tesla crossed the $100 billion mark, and now they are at 205 versus the second biggest or most valuable automaker in the whole world, Toyota Motors, with $203 billion. Now, you have to understand that, yes, this is right. I know you might ask, is this right? Is it really, let's say, I don't know the word for it, but is it really true and reasonable? Okay, that's the word, reasonable, that Tesla is becoming number one automaker in valuation. And I say yes, guys. These guys are working so hard, and you can see it actually in the email that Elon Musk just sent yesterday. He congratulated all the Tesla employees in an email. The email says that, it seems that they hit their numbers that they wanted to go after. They also seems then, obviously, maybe make it even a break-even quarter, which would qualify them to, hopefully to be included into the S&P 500. The Wall Street expects 72,000 cars, guys. 72,000 cars in a situation where half of the quarter, the Fremont, the biggest manufacturing facility, was closed. This is, guys, all I can say is chapeau to the guys. It's unbelievable that they could do it, and it's just so beautiful when everything plays out nicely if you are changing the world. And therefore, I'm really, really, really happy for all the shareholders. And I'm also really happy because we just have a new member that joined, David Shaw. He joined the Wolfpack member Gold membership. If you want to know more about the membership here on this channel, then just click the join button below all my videos or live streams, and then you will understand all the tiers that are there, and you support the channel. So very great thing out there. Thank you very much for that. Let's dive into the market, guys. So we having a couple of things that we need to talk about, which is there is more, let's say, money coming in, right? For customers to, support and stimulate the consumer side. As he said, the president of the United States says he supports a larger payments to Americans in next relief bill. Moreover, Pelosi is saying that House passes extension of coronavirus small business loan deadline. That's also positive. So you can see at all corners of this whole thing of more government money, we see positive aspects. Not only that, obviously also, you might didn't saw, but I posted a little bit later than usual yesterday the vlog Nikola stock versus Virgin Galactic stock. So if you are investor or want to be investor in one of those companies, or maybe interested what's the difference between, because there's many similarities but there's a lot difference in these companies as well. So check it out after you watch this live stream, and also make sure to follow me on Instagram for a little bit behind the scenes. Wolf of Dubai Danny, easy to find, easy to follow, and also smash that like button if you like those content pieces. What is also important, obviously, is the market is looking for those numbers, okay? And if we are looking into the economic calendar, then we will see the following. Let me pull it out for you. We are seeing that today is one of these Thursdays where we are getting jobless claims. But however, it's not only a normal Thursday, it's the first Thursday of each month, which then also give us the 4 weeks average. It will give us the unemployment rate, which is very important for the market for June. And last time, let me pull this a little bit bigger. Last time we had those numbers for May. We had the positive surprise. So if this trend continues, then we will definitely, could see more push higher to the markets right now. And, I said it many times, and I will say it once again. The stock market currently is in a very, very unique situation. On the one side, you have the possibility that everything recovers or continues to recover, right? The second wave will eventually fade out and everything recovers. And then obviously the stocks will go up. Many stocks are still way below their all-time highs, right? I'm talking about really affected stocks like Boeing, like airlines, like hotels, like cruise liners, right? All of these stocks are still lagging because of the second wave concerns, no vaccines and so on. But all of this will finally pass at one point of time. And then those companies will thrive. Those are the value stocks. They are currently hot, guys, okay? On the other side, you will see the growth stocks steadily growing. And then I believe there will be one point of time, maybe 2021, where huge money will be pumped into the growth stocks because the value stocks are actually valued at the one point to now I would even claim they are still undervalued, and then there will be a time where the value is just on spot, and then money will move to growth stocks because the growth stocks are just ridiculously benefiting from the cheap money on the market. They are bringing return of investment on these investments, and therefore you will see that the money will flow to the growth stocks. Now, on the other side, you have a scenario that is a win-win situation because either this recovery happen, right? In a worst case scenario, obviously, the cases go up, second wave get bigger than we expected, we have a, health system problem, and everything goes down, then there's still the Fed. And the Fed is very, very strong, guys, okay? They are deciding how much money, when, which tools, and they have an unlimited amount of money that they can bring to the market, okay? They announced that they will buy corporate bonds by companies. This means that, whatever it takes, Fed will just buy it, guys. And, it would just fit in this scenario, just even when it's crazy to think about it. But I could see a scenario in a very worst case scenario that the Fed could buy even stocks. I know it sounds crazy, and there need to be something done, like there need to be some changes in the regulatory procedure. But imagine it goes in the direction where the stocks were in March because of the second wave and vaccine bad news or whatsoever. And Fed would announce, starting this week, we will buy ETFs as well. This would be absolutely insane. So you can see at both sides, you are the winner. Either you profit from the recovery that will happen and it's ongoing, or you will benefit because the Fed will just bail everything out. So you cannot lose, and this is a very positive and bullish scenario on the stock market. So I hope you still, watching it to the end. If you made it to the end, thank you very much for the like, and I see you in a couple of hours, because as always, you get 3 pieces of content every single day. This morning, breaking news, the daily beautiful edited vlog, and then the tonight's live stream after or just before the market closes. I really appreciate your view. We just crossed 10,000 subscribers, guys. That's highly appreciated, and I see you just in a bit of time. Stay safe and have a very successful stock market day.